All right, hey everyone. If you're looking to really seriously kick your IT career and your salary into high gear for 2026, then you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're going to dive deep into the Red Hat Certified Engineer certification, the RHCE, and break down why it's one of the most powerful moves you can make in the tech world right now. So let's just start with a huge question right off the bat. How do you go about adding a 15, maybe even a 20% premium to your current IT salary? I know it sounds a little crazy, but as we're about to see, the answer really boils down to one specific, super high value certification. The case for the RHCE isn't just some gut feeling. It's about what the market is actually willing to pay for skills you can prove. So let's just look at the numbers, because honestly, they paint a crystal clear picture. Okay, let's get a baseline. The average salary for anyone with a Red Hat certification in the US is already sitting at over $122,000. Now, think of that as the starting point. The RHCE, which is a much more advanced cert, pushes that number way, way higher. And here is the giant flashing sign from the job market. This is what demand looks like. Job postings that need Ansible skills, and that's the absolute core of the modern RHCE exam, have exploded by 245% year over year. This isn't just some passing fad, you guys. This is a fundamental shift. Companies have to automate to survive, and they are paying top dollar for the people who can make that happen. So here's the best part, the return on your investment. The time and the money you put into getting the cert, you typically earn it all back within just 1 to 3 months on the job. I mean, that is an incredibly fast and tangible payback. So what is it that makes this cert so valuable? It's not just the Red Hat logo. The real reason employers trust it so much is baked right into how you actually earn it. Okay, here's the fundamental difference. Most IT certs, they test your memory with a bunch of multiple choice questions. That's all theory. Red Hat exams? Totally different. They drop you into a live running system and give you a list of real-world problems to solve. That's reality. You have to prove you can actually do the job, not just remember facts about it. And this quote from the IT community just nails it. There's no guessing, no faking your way through an RHCE exam. You either have the hands-on skills to pass it, or you don't. And that is why hiring managers call it the gold standard. It's a trusted, verified signal that you know what you're doing. So what is this core skill they're testing you on? Well, at the heart of the modern RHCE is one incredibly powerful technology, Ansible. And let me tell you, mastering this is what separates a sysadmin from a true automation engineer. So what is Ansible exactly? Well, think of it like the ultimate recipe book for your servers. You write these simple instructions, they call them playbooks, and Ansible just follows that recipe to set up, deploy, and manage hundreds or even thousands of computers automatically, all from one place. And what does that actually look like on the job? Well, an RHCE uses Ansible to automate all the critical, super time-consuming stuff. Imagine having to enforce a security policy or manage user accounts across your entire server farm, not one by one, but all at once in seconds. With Ansible, everything gets done automatically, reliably, and perfectly every single time. This right here, this gets to the absolute core of the mindset shift. An RHCE isn't just focused on managing one little machine anymore. They're solving the massive problem of scale. They're answering that critical business question. How do I do this one thing on 1,000 servers at the exact same time without a single error? Okay. This all sounds amazing, right? But how do you actually get from here to there? Well, the great news is that Red Hat has laid out a really clear step-by-step path to becoming an RHCE. So the whole journey starts with a rock-solid foundation. First, you have to pass the Red Hat Certified System Administrator exam, the RHCSA. You cannot skip this, it's the prerequisite. From there, you go deep by passing that hands-on RHCE exam, the EX294. And listen, getting the RHCE, that's not the finish line, not even close. It's more like a launch pad. It just swings open the doors to more senior roles and a really clear path to growing your career and your salary. Just take a look at this career trajectory. You start out at the foundation level with the RHCSA, probably in a Linux system admin job. But check out that next rung on the ladder. Earning your RHCE is what gets you into those high-demand DevOps and SRE roles, and that comes with a massive salary jump, pushing you well into the six figures. And from there, you can add specializations on top of your RHCE, and you're on the path to becoming an architect, where the sky is pretty much the limit. So, who is this really for? Well, it's an absolute game changer for any Linux admin who wants to level up. It's pretty much essential if you're in a DevOps, SRE, or cloud role. And you know what? It's even a fantastic path for people switching careers who want to jump into the tech industry in a really high-impact, high-demand position right from the start. So, there you have it. The data is clear, the path is laid out, and the demand from employers is undeniable. The proof is all right here. So I guess the only question left to ask is, what will you automate first?